By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly how one company implemented AI without the usual chaos, and more importantly, how you can do the same in your organization. And trust me, this is kind of the success story that can make you look like a rock star in your next strategy meeting. So let's talk about healthcare's worst kept secret. Yes, it's called pajama time. No, it's not Netflix in your PJs. It's what happens when healthcare professionals spend their evenings doing paperwork instead of, having a life. Well, Sky, this, healthcare tech company found that 75% of their nurses were doing this. Think about that. These are highly trained professionals spending their evenings as data entry specialists. Crazy, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of doing what most companies do, throwing AI at the problem and hoping for the best, WellSky actually got smart about it. They partnered with Google Cloud and built something that honestly should be a blueprint for anyone trying to implement AI in a high-stakes environment, just like healthcare, right? Now, let me break it down what they did differently, because this is where you're gonna want to take notes. First off, they built what I like to call their A-team. And no, I'm not talking about Mr. T. They mixed developers, clinicians, and legal experts like they were making a perfect cocktail, okay? And none of that tech people in one corner, business people in another nonsense. Second, and this is crucial, they made AI show its work. You know how your math teacher always said that? Same principle. Every AI output needed evidence to back it up, and no black box magic allowed. Third, and this is my favorite part, they made the AI optional. Yeah, you heard that right. No forced adoption, no AI or die ultimatums. Because let's be honest, forcing tech adoption works as well as forced fun getaways for office parties or office get-togethers. You know what I mean, right? And the results here, well, it's still early days, but they're actually getting healthcare professionals home on time. Imagine that, doctors and nurses actually getting to eat dinner with their families instead of filling out forms. Crazy concept, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. Great story, Camille, but how do I actually use this? Well, I've got you covered. In our full newsletter, which you'll find linked below, we've got a detailed breakdown of their exact implementation strategy. We're talking step-by-step guidance, pitfalls, warnings, and the whole 9 yards. So if you find these kinds of insights valuable, do me a favor, share the AI Adopters newsletter with your network, because let's face it, we all know somebody who could use a little bit help making AI work in the real world, right? But before you go, here's your homework. Take a look around your organization, calculate your own version of pajama time. What's the hidden overtime tax that AI could help you solve? Start there, and you're already ahead of the game. Thanks for watching, AI Adopters, and don't forget to check out the full case study in the newsletter for all the juicy details I couldn't fit into this video. This is Camille Bank, Adapt and Create.